2017, we're here doing Hit Parade Hockey Jerseys, random teams number 10. We're going to roll the dice here, see how many times we're going to randomize the teams, the roster, pair everyone up, and then bust this open. Thanks for the fill, guys. Best of luck to everyone. We'll roll the dice here. We only re-roll snake eyes. We're going 7 times. 6 and a 1. Get random.org up here. Alright, go over the roster here. We got T. Brian for 5, Chris for 5, Golfer for 1, Fast Focus for 3, K. Joe for 1, Fast Focus for 5 more, Darren for 5, and T. Brian for the last 5. Good luck, guys. Going 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7th and final time, guys. We got Chris on top, Fast Focus on the bottom. Alright, the teams, we have Avalanche down to the Wild 7 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7th and final time. Avalanche and the Oilers on the bottom. Very nice Fast Focus with the Oilers. Let's get this alphabetized. Alright, guys. Good luck, everybody. Good luck. Alright. Avalanche, Chris. Blackhawks, Fast Focus. Blue Jackets, Chris. Blues, T. Brian. Bruins, T. Brian. Canadians, T. Brian. Canucks, T. Brian. Capitals, Darren. Coyotes, Darren. Devils, Golfer. Ducks, Chris. Flames, Fast Focus. Flyers, Darren. Hurricanes, Darren. Islanders, Fast Focus. The Jets, Chris. Kings, Fast Focus. Lightning, Chris. Maple Leafs, T. Brian. Oilers, Fast Focus. Panthers, Fast Focus. Penguins and Predators, T. Brian. Rangers, K. Joe. Red Wings, Fast Focus. Sabres, T. Brian. Senators, Darren. Sharks, T. Brian. Stars, Fast Focus. And the Wild, T. Brian 714. Good luck, guys. Number 14 of 100, Hit Parade Series 5, sealed. Good luck, guys. And a sharp. Whoa, we got, wow. Wow, who does this go to? This is a USA one. Yours are on. I think this is a USA jersey. The Miracle on Ice. Yes, it is. Wow. Wow, what a nice jersey this is. Wow. Leaf certification. 76055. Team USA. I don't know 80s hockey. Does anyone know what team he played on? Alright, I'm not finding any team. So this is a random to everybody. So we're going to roll the dice here. 1980s Miracle on Ice, but no NHL team. Boston University. What a nice jersey. Team USA. Use this for the backstop for the dice roll. We'll roll the dice here and we'll randomize everyone. Top spot will win. Going 9 times. Copy. Alright, here's everyone in the break. Top spot on 9. There's the dice if you can see him. 9. Good luck, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9th and final time, guys. Top spot. Good luck. Darren, new guy mojo. Congrats. Alright, guys. Thanks for the fill. Congrats, Darren. Welcome to the room. And number 11 is in the store filling up. Thanks again for joining, for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.